guys, today I'm so happy and excited that I just received my new TV stand right here. This is something that is going to look my room much better, and it's also going to be so helpful for me to always keep the remote right there, also my books and anything that I usually do and use here in the room. So right now what I'm going to do is ask for some help so I can build it right here, and then we'll see how it looks. Let's go and build it. It is important to mention that it comes with this TV mount, that in my case I didn't need it because I had my TV on the wall, but in case that you want to put the TV on the stand, then you have it with all the tools. Alright guys, look at the final result right here. I love it. Something that I really like about this item is that it has multiple outlets right here, so you can always charge your phone or any device that you need it. Let me give you a closer view. It comes with two cabinets where I put the remote, some books and things that I usually use while I here in the room. And then I'm going to add like some pictures around here. I love it. And last but not least, you have this filter that you can use, so you can choose the color of the light of your TV stand. And also look at this, which is my favorite part. You can choose any music and the beep goes with the lights. Look at this. I really love it. This is just perfect.